thing that's very on trend that Aperitif does better than almost anyone else is just the subtle overlay of an added decorative. It's a lot of traditional history and marriage with modern technology. Yeah. It's a very, very intelligent program. I like this a lot. They are masters of printing little effects, different inks that sometimes will be glossy, sometimes matte, little raised areas, sinking inks and things like that. So just look for the little details as you're going through.
So we can match the same finish that is on the surface on the edge, which is really unique. And you can do it on sand or grass, or you can do it traditionally.
It's the last concept, any color in any size, and there is like a web app to do it. Choose the size. I mean, we're gonna do an hexagon, and then choose the colors.
And as you walk the aisles of the show, you are so inspired by just the way the product is exhibited. But then when you go in and actually speak with exhibitors, you learn so much.
Spain has been one of the pioneers in developing the digital technology. We were one of the first companies experimented here in Spain with digital technology, which, by the way, is an innovation that was generated in Spain.
And here we work a lot. It's one of our strengths, the possibility to make any shape we think about. Okay? From traditional to geometrical and new.